everyone, we are the group 3 and now we're going to tackle about the impact of the theory of relativity on humans. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which consists of special relativity or SR and general relativity or GR, has had profound effects on your understanding of time, space, and reality. Here are some key ways it impacts human life.
We have time dilation, aging slower in space. According to special relativity, time moves slower for objects, moving close to the speed of light. Example, astronauts on the International Space Station or ISS experience weaker gravity and move at high speeds. As a result, they age slightly slower than people on Earth. Real-life proof. Astronaut Scott Kelly spent 340 days in space and aged about 5 milliseconds less than his twin brother on Earth.
3, go!
Second, we have GPS technology, keeping clocks accurate. General relativity predicts that gravity warps time. Stronger gravity slows time down. GPS satellites orbit Earth at 20,000 km above the surface. Where gravity is weaker, their clocks run faster than those on Earth by about 38 microseconds per day. If we did not account for this difference, GPS calculations would be off by kilometers, making modern navigation unreliable.
Third, we have black holes and gravitational time dilation. When a person nears a black hole, time moves slower than compared to some far away. When someone falls into black holes, an outside observer would to see them slow down and never fully and due to time dilation. The movie Interstellar 2014 showed this effect. Astronaut nears a black hole aged 1 hour while people outside aged 7 years.
Fourth, we have space travel and future of humanity. If humans travel close to the speed of light, they could experience time travel into the future due to time dilation. Example, if a person take a space journey at near light speed and return after 50 years in Earth time, they might have only aged a few years. This has huge implications for interstellar travel and future space colonization.
Nuclear energy and power E equals mc2. Energy equals mass times speed of light. Show how mass converts into energy. This principle led to the development of nuclear power plants and atomic bombs. Today, nuclear energy is used to power homes, submarines, and even spacecraft.
Modern technology and communication. Electronics and computer are influenced by relativity, particularly in fields like semiconductor and quantum mechanics. Ang mga electronic at computer ay naiimpluwensyahan ng relativity, particular sa mga larangan tulad ng semiconductor at quantum mechanics. High-speed particle acceleration use relativity to study the universe's smallest particles. Ang mga high-speed particle acceleration tulad ng Large Hadron Collider ay gumagamit ng relativity upang pag-aralan ang pinakamaliit na particle ng universe.
In conclusion, why it matters? The theory of relativity is not just theoretical, it affects our daily lives, from GPS, navigation to space travel, and nuclear energy. It shapes our understanding of time, gravity, and the universe, proving that physics is deeply connected to human existence.